Good morning, everyone. I'm Imrana. National consciousness. A national consciousness is a shared sense of national identity and a shared understanding that a people group shares a common ethnic, linguistic, and cultural background. Historically, a rise in national consciousness has been the first step towards the creation of a nation. National consciousness, at a glance, is one's level of awareness of a collective and one's understanding that without them, there is no us. It's the mere awareness of many shared attitudes and beliefs towards things like family, customs, society, and gender roles, etc. The awareness allows one to have a collective identity which allows them to be knowledgeable of not only where they are, but how those places and people around them are so significant in that they ultimately make a collective, a nation. In short, national consciousness can be defined as a specific core of attitude that provides a habitual mode for regarding life.
Good day to one and all. National consciousness is the level of a person's awareness of issues and happenings in the nation and how they affect him or her and others in the nation. It is the love and affection for oneself. This is self-awareness that translates to self-consciousness. With the establishment of British rule in the country's economy was crippled. Indian handicrafts began to die out. India, which had won worldwide fame as the exporter of fine cloth, was turned into an importer of machine-made clothes and other factory goods from England. Millions of craftsmen and artisans were thrown out of employment, resulting in poverty everywhere. With this change in the pattern of trade, each class of Indian society was adversely affected. The net result of this exploitation was that the average income of an Indian fell below the level of subsistence. There were repeated famines which caused untold havoc. Each famine was followed by an epidemic which took a heavy toll of lives. The Indian people became physically weak and morally crippled. The exploitation of the country's resources made them miserable and brought about disaffection and resentment against the foreign rule. The growth of modern nationalism was connected to the anti-colonial movement. The sense of being controlled under colonialism provided a shared bond. Great leaders joined their hands under the leadership of Mahatma Gandhi and led the Indians through the freedom movement, and India became an independent nation since 15th August 1947. As the young citizens of independent India, what are you going to do to our nation? First of all, you should imbibe the spirit of discipline because without discipline, no nation can progress. You should actually work for the removal of many social evils. You can help in the removal of social evils like casteism, untouchability.